You are a beginner and you wish to make money with CPA marketing, but you don't have time and you don't have skills. All you have to do is just download this free software and join 100,000 people who are already using it. Okay guys, so first thing I need to say, you can successfully apply this method on any other CPA affiliate network, but for this purpose I'm going to use CPA Grip. So let's just say, for example, I wish to promote offer for United States market. So here I'm going to choose United States. And for the category, I'm going to choose email and zip submit because those are the ones that are easiest to promote. And here I can see all the available offers. So let's say, for example, I wish to promote this offer here, grab a 750 PayPal gift card. So what I need to do, I need to copy my CPA Grip affiliate ID, copy this, and then click here to open this offer. Now here you can see grab $750 gift card. Here you can see United States, $2.05 I can earn for every email submit. Now this is really important. Many people actually reported they're often getting some websites that has nothing to do with their CPA offer. So what you need to do, you need to actually change the tracking domain. Here when you click, you can see all the available tracking domains. So you need to go through all of these domains until you find the one that actually works for you, that actually shows your CPA offer that you wish to promote. I know it is annoying, but that is something that you have to do, unfortunately, and this happens on many CPA networks. Just go through these domains, all of these domains, until you find one that actually shows your CPA offer, okay? So after you find one, so I'll just say, for example, I'm going to use this one here, okay? What you need to do, you need to paste your ID, your CPA Grip affiliate ID, and this is your link, okay? This is your CPA Grip affiliate link. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to go on a website called heylink.me, and you need to register for a free account. And here you need to click on links and you need to add a link, your CPA Grip affiliate link. So I'm going to copy this, okay? Copy this. And I'm going to paste that here, okay? Add a new link, okay? And this is how this looks. But what I need to do now, I need to go back here and I am going to simply copy this, and here I'm actually going to change that, paste here, and here you can see, grab a 750 PayPal gift card, okay? And here you actually need to upload image that is related to your CPA offer. You can simply upload a PayPal gift card, just like this one here. And here you can see how this actually looks. Now what I would suggest to add at least three offers, and also because we are going to use free traffic, you probably won't get traffic from same country. So I would suggest to use 3 offers from 3 different countries. At least 3, but most often you should use 5 or 10 offers, and here you can see how this looks. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to click here on appearance, okay? And here you can change, for example, your Hey Link Me, okay? But you don't really need to do that. You will add something that is related to gift card. For example, just say gift card, okay? Gift card, and you will save that, and this will be your Hey Link, okay? And also what you need to do, you need to click here on upload avatar. So you can change your avatar. Here you can see how mine looks. You will of course add something that is related to your CPA offers. And try to use at least 3 offers from same niche. CPA, for example, Amazon gift card or PayPal gift card and stuff like that. At least 3 offers from same niche, okay? And also what you need to do, you need to change this, okay? So I already prepared that. I can say something like this, okay? So let me just change this, okay? And here you can see how this looks. Free giveaways, try them all. And like I said, you should add at least 3 offers from 3 different countries. And this is how it looks. So this is, when you go here, this is your link. This is your Hey Link, okay? And you can also use this one here. Like I said, when you change it here, it will also change here. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to start driving traffic, free traffic, to your Hey Link. And for that, we are going to use Pinterest. So what you need to do, you need to create a new Pinterest page. Now, this is one of my pages. As you can see, it is related to dogs. But yours will be related to make money online, to gift cards, to giveaways and stuff like that, of course. So what you need to do, you actually need to add a profile image related to your niche. So just click here on edit profile. And when you click here on change, you can change your profile image. Here you can change the name of the page. You will say something free giveaways and stuff like that. And here where it says about, you need to add a bio. So you can say something like this, okay? So I can just copy this and paste that here. And here you can see how that looks. Get the best free stuff online every day, including free makeup, free food, free health products, and so on and so on. And also what you need to do, you need to go back here on Hey Links and you need to copy your Hey link, okay? So let me just copy this one here. So let me just copy this link, okay? Copy full link and go back on Pinterest. And when I scroll here I can see website and I can add my website. And all I have to do now is just click here on save and I will save these settings, okay? And when I go back here, it will be saved. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to start adding pins. Because you just created your Pinterest profile, you need to add pins. Your profile cannot be empty because nobody will follow you. So what you need to do, here in search bar, because we are talking about make money online, I will search something like make money online, okay? Make money online and press enter. And what I need to do, I simply need to click here on save and I will save this pin in my Pinterest board. And also what you can do, you can simply click here and you can click here and you can actually click here and you can create a new board, okay? Just give it a name, free gift cards or free giveaways, free products, stuff like that. And just start adding these pins. As you can see, it is really easy to add these pins and you need to add at least 15 or 20 pins before you start getting followers. So to start getting followers, what you need to do, click here and then go here on boards, okay? And here you can see make money online boards. So let me just click on this first one here. And when you click here you can see all the people who are following this board. And you need to simply start following all of these people here. And some of these people will start following you back. And as you can see, this is a manual work and that means it takes time and it takes work. And it is a pretty boring process. And especially when you need to unfollow people who are not following you back. But don't worry, there is an automated way to do all of this. All you have to do is just set it up, set it and forget it. And for that we are going to use website called samibo.com, okay? And here when you click here on pricing, here you will see that these guys actually have a free option and you can use that free option to grow your Pinterest profile. So what you need to do, you need to go on Pinterest option and here you can see get free Pinterest followers, get free Pinterest likes, get free Pinterest views. Now this is a tip for you. When you click here you can see you can get views, free views for your Pinterest videos. Now I would suggest not to use this option here because those are views from bots. So I would suggest not to use that. But instead, I would suggest you to use Pinterest promo. These guys, this option will actually start getting you organic followers, likes and engagement. And in that way, you will start getting followers. Here you can see speed and efficiency, safety, multiply accounts, multiply models, scheduling posts, you can schedule your posts, and here you can see proxy support. And like I said, all you have to do is just click here on download this software to your desktop, install it, and you can start using this software and start getting organic followers on your Pinterest page. And the more followers you have, the more people you will reach with your pins, and you will start getting links on your Hey link, and you will start driving traffic to your CPA grip offers and you will start making money with CPA grip. So this is CPA grip free traffic method. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.